In Module 3, Chapter Roof Continuation, Types of Pitched Roofs. Mainly, there are three types of pitched roofs. In roof may be classified as single roof, double or purlin roofs. Third one, triple or membered or framed or trussed roofs. In single roof, there are four types: lean-to roofs, couple roofs, couple close roofs, collar beam roofs, or collar tie roofs. These are all the four types in single roofs. Next, double or purlin roofs. Next, third is triple member or framed or trussed roof. In triple member roofs, there are 8 types. First one, king post roofs, queen post roofs, combination of king post and queen post trusses, mansard roof trusses, truncated roof trusses, bell post roof truss or laticated roof truss. Next, composite roof trusses, steel sloping roof trusses. First type is single roofs. In single roofs, these which consist of only the rafter which are supported at the ridge and at the eaves. Such roofs are used only when the span is limited to 5 meters. Otherwise, the size of the rafter will be uneconomical. The maximum span of rafter is taken as 2.5 meters. Single roofs are of four types: lean-to roofs, couple roofs, couple close roofs, collar beam roof. Next, mains, double or purlin roofs. In double or purlin roofs, have two basic elements. First one, rafter. Second one, purlins. Purlins gives intermediate supports to rafter and supported on end walls. The intermediate supports so provided in the form of purlins reduce the size of the rafter to the economical range. Such a roof is also known as rafter and purlin roofs. The rafter are provided fairly close to 40 to 60 centimeter center to center.